Good morning, guys. My name is Nitin Kumar Gupta. Today I am started a new chapter, carbon and its compound. As we all know that in our periodic table, the carbon present at sixth position. That means carbon have 6 electron and 6 protons. Is it okay? If we draw a carbon atom, it will be the nucleus, it will be the K shell, and it will be the L shell. If we put 6 electrons in its atom, so that we have to put 2 electrons in the K shell, and remaining 4 electrons are present in L shell. Is it okay? The outermost shell is also known as valence shell of atom, either or valence shell of carbon in its case. Is it okay? Here we know that each and every atom tries to attain stability, more stable atom, so that it will be tries to attain noble gas configuration. That means there have two possibilities: either or gain of electron, either or loss of electron. If we observe to gain the electron, that means carbon have 4 electrons in its valence shell, and if we put 4 electrons, either or gain electrons, 4 electrons to attain noble gas configuration, but it will be not possible to hold 6 protons in an atom, 6 protons in nucleus that holds 10 electrons in shells. Is it okay? So that will it will be not possible. On other hand, second case is loss of electron. If an atom, carbon atom, lose its 4 electrons of valence shell, it will convert into carbon plus 4. It will be a very difficult process to lose the 4 electrons from it, because the large amount of energy which is required to remove its electrons from its valence shell. As we all know that energy is known as ionization energy. Is it okay? So carbon have a special type of bond formation that is known as covalent bond. What do you mean by covalent bond? Covalent bond, that means the sharing of electrons among two same atoms, either or two different atoms. That bond is known as covalent bond. Example: carbon have 4 electron in valence shell. Now it will be tries to attain the noble gas configuration, either or it's try to complete its octet. It will be complete its octet by the help of hydrogen. If we put 4 hydrogen, that one hydrogen contains 1 electron, and that electrons is sharing their electrons. Is it okay? As we observe, the carbon contains now 8 electrons among its octet outermost shell. It will completed its 8 electron. That's why the carbon have formation of the covalent bond. Is it okay? The classification of covalent bond, there are 3 kinds of covalent bond. First, single bond. Single bond, that means carbon contains single bonds. Is it okay? Then the next second is double bond. Double bond, that is when the sharing of electrons among carbon either or different atom is 2. This kind of bond is double bond. When the bonds observe to more than one bond, that is unsaturation in any compound, that is also known as unsaturated bond. And these are known as saturated bonds. Single bonds are saturated bonds. Third kind is triple bond. Triple bond is just carbon, 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 hydrogen. Ethyne, its name is ethyne. And another example is nitrogen, N2 molecule. Here the nitrogen form also triple bond. Both are unsaturated bonds, unsaturated compounds. Is it okay? We will move forward and observe the properties of carbon. Carbon have a special property that is known as catenation. Catenation means carbon have tendency to form the long carbon chains to form different compounds, just like these. It has the greatest tendency to form a long carbon chains rather than any other element. Is it okay? If we found silicon have tendency to form catenation, but not at a large scale. Approximately 7 to 8 atoms are form the special chains, but more than 8 silicon atoms are not form the long chains. Second property is tetravalency. Carbon can form tetravalent bonds. Tetravalent means, tetra means 4. In outermost shell of carbon there are 4 electrons are present, so that's why carbon also known as tetravalent. It can form another 4 bonds either or with carbon, either or another elements, either or just like hydrogen, oxygen के साथ में double bond, these things. Is it okay? Next property is isomerization. Isomerization means when the molecular formula of any compound is same but the structural formulas are different, those compounds are known as isomers of these. Latest example, carbon, 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 carbon. That is known as pentane. Is it okay? If we take this carbon and attach to this carbon, that means we will form a branch of this carbon. That means the entire formula of the compound is same but the structure is different. Here we can modify the carbon as this. Here the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms are similar in all these cases, but the difference is the structural formula. Is it okay? So that is the also main property of carbon.